All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So define. Define. Define, like to explain the meaning of something. Now, what does that word mean? Can you define it? Define. I want to define this word. This word here, what does that word mean? I don't know. How do you define that word? What's the meaning of it? She needs to define those phrases. We need to define our words before we start advocating, talking about them. Yeah, you need to define your terms before you debate them. Define. This word means this, not that. Define the word. I defined them last night. I have a list of concepts that I need to define. I need to explain what they mean. Explain what they mean. It's important. Yes. Yeah. You want to define the word? Well, how are you going to define a new word that you have never seen or come across before? This new word, what does it mean? How do you define it? How do you define it? Not sure. The last thing he will do is define them. Yes, so, well, really, the first thing he should do is define the words. Then they know what he is talking about. Define the words so they know what he is talking about. How cool is that? So define, yes. Define, to explain the meaning of something. The meaning. So, can you use define in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. There we are. And Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.